Boy, this here is a big throwback for anybody who's been on the channel since the beginning. This is a ceiling fan that I filmed like a few days into the channel being created. It's at my aunt's house, or my dad's aunt. I guess you'd call her a great aunt or something. I don't know how that works. But yeah, this here is the ceiling fan in this room here. And even it still has the color lights in it. I don't know if they work or not. Oh, they work. Oh boy. Nice. So this here is a Northman Hugger ceiling fan. It's pretty old. And I'm pretty sure the pole change of this is a bit messed up, so I don't know if I can change all speeds here. But I'll try. Okay, that's low speed. Change the lights out. I see. That one's loose. I gotta be careful there. And then for speed 3. Okay. Better turn it off. I don't want that green bulb to fall. No. Alright. Well, there's that. And that's the Northman Hugger at my aunt's house, great aunt's house, something. There it is. And this here moves around a lot of air.